learning God's word.
I can work at my own pace.
Chainsaws, we get to hold chainsaws.
Singing in the kitchen, running through the yard.
Everything.
That you get to do memory verses. It's really inspiring.
Storm chasing.
The teachers are super awesome and super helpful.
I can choose what class I want to do first.
Being with my cousins.
I love learning about God. Of course, chainsaws.
The teachers really love us.
Storm chasing.
Tie-dyeing shirts with the girls.
Protocol is respecting others and respecting the people that are around you. I love learning with Mrs. Spock. Nail painting outside. My favorite's been Girls and Boys Days. Gold mining.
Getting to play in the woods.
I've met so many new people, and you get to make forts out in the back.
The paces. I love Peanuts Machine. We made little hat things that we can play in the woods. God. Pacework. Paces.
Yeah.
Soccer in the back. Math. To not be like the devil. Because God is our hero.
In the morning when we do our proverbs and throughout the day with the curriculum.
Everything.
Hot rod.
You're building a generation where it will stand strong. This is the school teaching the children that we should not be weak mentally or physically or emotionally. We must be mentally and spiritually strong.
Fun Thursday! I love that I can swap from each subject of what I want to do.
I love that everybody's very kind.
Chainsaws.
And chainsaws.
And chainsaws.
Chainsaws?
I'm not that interested in chainsaws.
Chainsaws.
And chainsaws.